In this video, I'm going to show you how I add under cabinet lighting using Armacost Lighting RibbonFlex continuous white LED light tape kits. I started by measuring the length and then looking for the closest copper pads to make my cut. Next, you want to observe the polarity of the connections, making sure to match up positive to positive and negative to negative. Slide your light strip into the connector until the copper pads match up to the teeth, and then press firmly to close. Peel back the adhesive backing and then place your first section. If your upper cabinets are not a flat surface all the way across, like mine, then you're going to want to continue to repeat the process. Once I got to my corners, I used a corner connector to give me a nice clean right angle. Just like the other connectors, you want to make sure that the copper pads line up with the teeth and press firmly to close, and then I like to test it just to make sure everything is good. Because I wanted the under cabinet lighting to be extra bright, I essentially created a frame of lighting for the undersides of my cabinet. Now that my first section is done, it's time to pair up my second and third kit to one remote. Unplug the power supply for the kit that is to be paired. You want to wait 5 seconds and then restore power to the power supply, and then within 10 seconds, press and hold the 50 and 10% until the new light kit flashes. Starting on the other side of my kitchen, I install the second kit's power source by screwing it into the underside of my cabinet. Of course, you want to make sure that your screws are not too long that they're going to pop up on the inside of your cabinet. I noticed some of my wires were hanging down and I wanted a nice clean installation, and so I chose to use a staple gun. Of course, you want to be careful again not to go through your wires with your staple gun and make sure everything is unplugged before doing this. But it's an easy way to make sure that those wires stay in place and they stay tucked away. And this is how it turned out. The lights being 3000K gives you the perfect glow that isn't too warm or too cool. This is such a quick and easy way to give you a professional look of under cabinet lighting on a budget.